Welcome back. This week's episodes, I don't know, one of the two. We're gonna be ripping the suspension out of the VP. I bought all new suspension parts, which live in this box here. And yeah, that basically just includes all the suspension bushes and all the rubber components and a couple steering bits and pieces. So without further ado, we're gonna get stuck in. Well, let's hop to it, eh? Ugh. Getting showered with dust. Beautiful. Alright. It's in my mouth. Yuck. Oh yeah. Ta-da! With all that diff drop, I might actually put that jack under there already. Since the diff, just like everyone else, needs some support sometimes. Sway bar is out. Ooh, well. Yeah, those shocks have seen better days. That's shocking. Absolutely shocking. Yeah, so next up I'm going to go charge my computer, my camera. I'm all over the place. I'm going to go charge the camera and work out what to do with this. Oh. Well, hello internet. Oh, fuck. Well, hello, I'm back again. While the camera was on charge, I took out the shock absorbers, and now we're just going to go and get to taking out the upper and lower trailing arms, and yeah, just stripping the last of the stuff we don't need anymore out of here, well, that we're going to be reconditioning anyway. So I'm just going to shut up and get to it. Right, the content of the box. Beautiful. So, we've got heavy duty front sway bar links, lower control arm, a couple of those, a couple of these, them, those, and last but not least, them. So yeah, with all of them, all Super Pro brand, and yeah, so pretty much that's everything which is going to be going back in. I just got to work out where everything goes. But yeah, that'll be easy enough. There we go. Alrighty, so we've got with that tripod. Now we've got no suspension in the front now. Everything's out, all the sway bar links, sway bars, struts, all that kind of stuff, that's all gone. Now next up we're going to be taking the steering rack out because you can probably see it is leaking oil like crazy. And the boots are stuffed. So yeah, all we've got to do this is got to take that little clip there off, which I can actually probably do now. Come on, there you go. So there's the little clip, little retaining clip. There you go, that's off. I think that is a 12. This car's got so many different size fasteners on it. because it's fucking American at heart, but it's made in Australia, so it's got all GM sized stuff, or banana sized fasteners, and but hey, some of them are metric because why not? That'll do, I think. There we go. Move you guys a little bit over there. I got no idea if you guys can even see this or not. I'm just gonna wishfully think that you can. Seeing as though most of this build is just hopes and dreams. Ah! Where's me rattle gun? One. And that's a 2. Now hopefully, maybe, I wonder how this comes out. Knowing my luck, I'll have to take the fucking transmission out. Aha ha 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 ha! Ah ha ha ah ha. Alright. And now I just have to disconnect these 2 hoses, which I'm going to do shortly. Alrighty, that'll do.